When running DBT in production, it's crucial to promptly identify and fix any failures. Today, we'll learn how to debug these failures using Paradime's Bolt. There are two primary ways to detect failed runs. The first is through notifications. Here's an example of a notification in Slack. These notifications provide convenient links that allow you to easily identify and open failed runs in Paradime. Alternatively, you can go to the Bolt application in Paradime to see failed runs. Once you've located a failure, simply click on it to navigate to the run history. Here, you can pinpoint the specific instance where things went wrong. You can then scroll down to the logs and artifacts to determine exactly which command failed. For instance, in this case, the dbt run command failed. By clicking on the failed command, you'll be presented with 3 logs. The first is the summary log, which is an AI summary that suggests potential fixes. Following that, you'll find the console log, which is typically the most useful for debugging. Here, you'll find the detailed execution record showing exactly what happened during the execution of your command, including the specific error messages and timing of each step. You can navigate through the errors. The most crucial part is that you can click to view the compiled SQL code, which you can then test directly against your warehouse or using the Paradime Scratchpad. Testing the compiled SQL can help you identify common issues such as invalid column names, missing references, or syntax errors. Once these issues have been addressed, you can then rerun your job. And that's it. You now know how to debug failures in Paradime. Don't forget to set up notifications for quicker response times, and always test your fixes before rerunning.